Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Let's do a giveaway. This is the second giveaway for the week. I'm feeling spontaneous. Let's do 3. I'm gonna do a third giveaway. This is the second. You are more than welcome to enter for all 3. The giveaways are for my US subscribers because shipping internationally is very expensive. So, inflation. You please only apply if you live here in United States. Rules are simple. All you have to do is answer the comments down below to the question I'm gonna ask somewhere in the video. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you what we have for this week. First one, this stamp. I really love this because the bottle, you can put anything in here. The bottle is separate. If you have another one, let's see, not in this set, but if you have other stamps, if you have flowers, or you can even do dies. If you cut this out, it's a bottle and you have flower dies, just like the stems, you can put it in there, like behind it, and it looks like you have a vase. You can put any flower in there. Super cute. And we also got some sentiments with it. Leaves. I really like this because the outlines are thin and there's a room to color, although I'm not really sure why this is spotted. But I love like these ones. Very cute. Next one is one whole piece, and this is actually perfect to make bookmarks. Some very popular thing to make in handcraft is bookmarks, which is really good for gifting. And also, if you are the winner and you don't like one of the or some of the things you received, or you have no use for it, there are Facebook groups that do exchanges, like other crafters, and you can post like, hey, I have these, I have no use for them, does anyone want to exchange with me something that you have, you know? And there's, I think, forums, but I'm not really sure if people still use forums. This one is a heart one, and I thought throwing in here because Valentine's Day is coming up, and I especially love this one because it looks like lace. And we got some dies. So this one has 2 trees and a castle. These are new nails. I'm trying to see if I like them or not. So picking up things, it's getting used to it. I've never used, it's a duplicate, but I've never used this one. So I'm not really sure how it cuts out. I feel like this is gonna be a whole piece. And then you can cut little things on the front. Because if you look at it, right, the line goes right here, and this should be all just flat. I'm not sure, to be honest. I have not used this one yet. Okay, we have some stickers. This one looks like stamps. Stamps are so cute. I love sticker stamps. And then these ones are corners. You can put them on a corner in a journal. And then this one is happy birthday stickers. It's just something I've received from someone, like extras, and I have no use for them, so maybe someone else will. Sentiments, good size, really good size for heat embossing. And then we have some flowers up here that looks like it's hanging. Very cute. So my question is a random question. Do you have Netflix account? Yes or no? I know it's like a weird question. I don't. Not right now, but I have to ask something to make you comment something in the comment section. That's how the YouTube random picker knows who to pick. So if anyone basically that comments in under this video is gonna be entered. So that's it. Do you have a Netflix account? Yes or no? And another die. We have, I'm spacing out, what is that thing? One, like that thing you put the plants in. Pot. That's a pot. And then these ones, when you cut these out in a different color, like 3 shades of green, a mint green, a pastel green, and something in between, and then layer them on top of each other. It is so beautiful and so elegant. I love these, especially these two. I've used these a lot in my previous cards or something similar. And then the last one is a washi. This is really cute, so I have to show you. So there's a tape over it to keep it still, but it has a bunch of things in it, and it's all like yellow themed, I think. Cheese, ice cream, bread, ice cream, crown croissants, chestnuts, and then it repeats. Very cute. I love these ones. And that was it for this giveaway. Remember, there's 2 other ones, and you are more than welcome to enter all of them. Good luck.